Hello, thank you for watching. So in this video, I'm just going to be unboxing this AEG twin battery pack. So this is the 18V 6.0AH. So it actually come in individual boxes. So obviously the one box, your instructions, and the second box. Battery pack. Slightly charged. So I've been charging these batteries for almost 2 hours, so it's actually been about 110 minutes, and this one has just become fully charged. So it's just off. So this one is still going, so I guess roughly it takes approximately about 2 hours to fully charge these batteries.